Hello guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today I will be replacing a doorknob. This particular doorknob, somebody tried to break in. It's bent, so it's not working anymore, but whatever the reason is, we're just gonna replace just a regular doorknob. It's called a keyed entry doorknob, as you can see. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is on the inside of the doorknob. It has these two bolts. All right, and the first thing we gotta do is remove them. So what we do is that we get a Phillips screwdriver. You kind of have to do it like in an angle, but it does work. You see how angle it is, and remove those two bolts. Once you have it loose enough, you can unscrew that with your own fingers. I don't know what the light goes on or not. Okay. Once it's there, you can start working on the other one. So you can push back so that way you have more space to remove the other one. So you gotta pull it back, and bingo, we got one bolt. You just put it aside. Obviously we're not gonna need it because we're gonna put some new bolts. So let's keep working on this one until it comes out. Alright. Easy job. Alright, so we got it out. Once you remove those two bolts, now you're able to remove the outside handle. Just gonna move it around. On this one, somebody tried to break in, so it was kind of tight. So we ended up with this hole. Alright, so now we gotta take the middle part, and that has two screws. Okay, also they're Phillips screwdrivers, and we remove them. And the second one. Get this out. Alright, so now we got the whole space there. Okay, so what I got me, it was this combo of a deadlock and the lock itself, because I am going to install a deadlock on top of that one, but that's going to be until later on. I'll show you how to do that one too. For now, let's get this box open, and do not be afraid for all the stuff that you see there. Okay, all right, so we're gonna be using the lock only, not the deadlock. I'm gonna get it open. Okay, so in this particular case, we're gonna get the lock that it has like a half moon. This is the one that it belongs to, the lock that we're gonna install. The one that it has like a perfect round or rectangular, that belongs to the deadlock. So we're gonna open this box, and everything it should come with it, you know, the hardware, bolts and everything. Okay, so let's get it open. All right. So, okay. So this is very important, right? This, you see this cut right here, like half cut. It has to be facing the way the door is gonna be closing. In other words, let me show you. So this is gonna go like this because it has to slide. You know, let me put some light in here. All right, because it's gonna slide. Now, if you put that backwards like that, it's not gonna do nothing. All right, so make sure you have it the way the door is gonna close. Now for this, you have a package with 2 long bolts and 2 small bolts. So for that, we're using the small bolts, or screws, I should say. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and install it right there, exactly like the other one was. All right, it's always a little bit hard to do it with one hand, but it's doable. All right, so we're gonna screw that in and move the zoom. But anyway, all right, see how that works. And we're gonna get the other one right there. I'm gonna screw it in. Okay, make sure it's tight. Okay, all right, now we got it on. Now we have to, or we're ready to install or to put the knob. So first we're gonna get the one that is keyed, the one that has the key on the outside. And what you're gonna have to do is align. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so now it's time to install the knob. Now you see the half shaft in here and the half hole in there. It has to be aligned equal the same. All right, so it has to go like that, half. It's designed to going like that, and these 2 pins all right, so I want you to see how it looks on this side. All right, and this is how it looks on that side. All right, that's a keyed entry. All right, okay, so now we're gonna have to put this. Now you see the half. Can you see the half opening there? It has to match the half shaft in here. So in other words, it has to be facing the same way. Okay, all right. Now when you got it in, sometimes you gotta move these to be able to go in. All right, and once you get it in like that, you're ready to insert the bolts. These bolts right here. All right, so they gotta be aligned, but okay. So we got one, and we're gonna get the other one. And once we get the other one in, we're ready to use a screwdriver to put it in. sometimes you have to play a little bit so that way you get it right. Okay, so now you got both. Now we're ready to use a screwdriver. Yeah, it's on an angle, but it's still, you still are able to work. All right. I don't like the lighting on this camera. This is a very dark room, and I'm using the light on the camera, but kinda. Okay, so I'm gonna get a. So I got me a smaller or thinner screwdriver. I think this one will work better. Okay, yeah, it does. So I'm screwing it in at an angle. Okay, so I got this one all the way in. Alright, make sure it's tight. And now we're ready to open the door. Yeah. They might have a special tool, which is an angle, but it takes a long time, so like I say, if you have patience and put the screwdriver on an angle, it does work, okay? Make the job. Alright. So let's open that. Alright. And I got it all the way in. And it's all set up. All right, make sure the door closes, make sure the door's locked. Now your new knob comes with hardware to change this. I am not going to change it because it's not required right now. All you want to do is make sure it closes pretty good. All right, and it does. It's doing its job. Now I'm going to lock it and I'm going to try to open it. It is locked. So now I'm gonna try a key. So I'm gonna try to use a key to open it. Yeah, it's working. Alright. So this is how you replace a doorknob. It's a pretty simple job. From 1 to 10, I give this a 3. Alright guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another edition.